Golborne North railway station served the village of Golborne, formerly in Lancashire, now in Wigan, England. The station was on the Liverpool, St Helens and South Lancashire railway line from Lowton St Mary's to the original St Helens Central railway station. It was located just east of where it crossed both the WCML and what is now the A573, at the northern edge of the village. The station was built of wood and had very sparse facilities. History. Opened by the Liverpool, St Helens and South Lancashire Railway. As part of the Great Central Railway, it became part of the London and North Eastern Railway during the grouping of 1923. The station then passed on to the London Midland region of British Railways on nationalisation in 1948. The station was referred to locally as Golborne GC to distinguish it from the XLNWR Golborne station on the West Coast Main Line in the centre of the village. In 1949 the XLNWR station was renamed Golborne South and the XGCR station was renamed Golborne North. Services. In 1922 5 down towards St Helens. Trains called at the station on Mondays to Saturdays. They called at all stations from Manchester Central to St Helens via Glazebrook and Colchester. By 1948 4 trains plied between St Helens Central and Manchester Central, calling at all stations, Monday to Friday, reduced to 3 on Saturdays. A fuller selection of public and working timetables has now been published. Among other things, this suggests that Sunday services ran until 1914, but had ceased by 1922, never to return. Closure. The station was closed to all traffic by the British Railways Board in 1952, though goods traffic through the site to St Helens lingered on until 1965, and to a scrapyard west of Ashton thereafter. In 1968 a new connection spur was built connecting an oil terminal and scrapyard west of Ashton in Makerfield to the West Coast Main Line. This enabled the line through Golborne North to be closed and lifted. The site today. By 2005 even seasoned researchers could not tell a railway had ever existed at the station site. References. Sources. Bradshaw, 1986. Bradshaw's July 1922 Railway Guide. Reprint. Guild Publishing London. Butt. R. V. J. 1995. The Directory of Railway Stations. Details every public and private passenger station, halt, platform and stopping place, past and present. First ed. Sparkford. Patrick Stevens Limited. ISBN 978-1-85260-508-7. OCLC 60251199. Dow, George. 1965. Great Central. Volume 3. Facets the Pace. 1900–1922. Shepperton, Ian Allen. ISBN 0-7110-0263-0. Jowett, Alan. 2000. Jowett's Nationalised Railway Atlas. First ed. Penryn, Cornwall. Atlantic Transport Publishers. ISBN 0-9068-9999-0. OCLC 228266687. Pixton, Bob. 1996. The Archive Photographs Series Widnes and St Helens Railways. The Chalford Publishing Company. ISBN 0-7524-07511-1. Shannon, Paul. Hilmer, John. 2003. British Railways Past and Present. Manchester and South Lancashire No. 41. Kettering. Past and Present Publishing Limited. ISBN 1-858951976-6. Smith, Paul. Turner, Keith. 2012. Railway Atlas Then and Now. Ian Allen Publishing. ISBN 978-0-7110-3695-6. Sweeney, Dennis J. 2014. The St. Helens and Wigan Junction Railway. Lee. Triangle Publishing. ISBN 0-85361-292-7. External links. The station via Disused Stations UK. The station on a 1888–1913 overlay OS map via National Library of Scotland. 1949 services via Disused Stations UK. Station and line HOB1 via railway codes. The station on a 1948 OS map via NPE Maps.